Thank you. We'll give you a sneak peek. This car is not for sale. I repeat, not for sale. Don't call on it. Don't try to buy it. People have been asking, wanting to see what we got in the warehouse, which is everything's covered up. This one's not for sale. I'll just let you take a peek at it. Super clean car. Not a whole lot of room for me to back up and walk around in here. It's got a custom little trunk. Crazy thing is, underneath looks just like the top side. Super clean. People are wanting to see, but like I said, don't call on this one. It's not for sale. I just let y'all check it out. Super tight doors. It's one of the personal cars. It's out here raining, so we come over here to the warehouse working on the motorcycle and getting ready to post. Look at that exhaust.
Nothing but
going up in the fenders. Oh yeah. Go from underneath this bad boy. You got your phone light?
Yeah.
Super clean. That frame.
Yeah. I didn't know it looked like this under here.
You didn't know it was swallows?
No.
Like I said, figured I'd show y'all one. We were over here goofing off. It's one of them we got in our little collection. Be watching for other videos. I'll show y'all some more we got off in the warehouse. I appreciate y'all tuning in.